As a do-it-yourselfer, you will occasionally run across a situation where you need a powerful impact wrench. Also, as a do-it-yourselfer, that situation doesn't happen a whole lot, so it's hard to justify spending $500, $600, $700 on the higher end items. But you also want to be careful, because you don't want to buy something that's going to break in a year or 6 months, in some cases even less than that. So this is where this fits in. This is the Earthquake XT impact wrench kit from Harbor Freight. It was $229 on sale. I've read some good things about it. It had pretty decent reviews. Now, I'm not going to be busting lug nuts on dump trucks all day long. I'm a network engineer. I sit at a desk all day. So this is not something that I'm going to make a living off of. But hopefully it fills in the gap, of something I've been kind of needing but couldn't really justify the expense of the big boys. So let's unbox it and give it a shot. I do like the case. It's a decent case. Serves the purpose. The driver itself is it's not light. I wouldn't call it compact or anything, but I guess they really can't be. I don't know what to compare it to. It's a single battery. Been nice to have 2 batteries. Well, let's give it a full charge and then we'll get to work. So I had to run back up to Harbor Freight. My floor jack, little cheap piece of crap one I had, collapsed. So thankfully I didn't have the wheels off, or I always use jack stands anyway. So I went ahead and took care of that. Got the new floor jack from Harbor Freight. It was on sale for $89, which was a pretty decent deal for a 3-ton. And we got everything jacked up, so now we're gonna put the tool to work and see what it can do. So that's it. I have to say I'm pretty happy with it. I'm impressed with it. Handled the lug nuts with ease. You know, 1,200 pounds of foot torque. I don't know about that. I don't know if we can actually do that or not. But you know, it serves its purpose, and I'm happy with it. It saved me a lot of time and saved me 20 or 30 bucks, you know, at a oil change place. So anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna torque my lug nuts down to spec, which I think is 98 pounds. But see you next time.